Hi everyone, Cartoon Bell, let's go. Right, let's start with the eyes. So if we do a circle there and then another one coming out from behind it, and then if we do people there and people there, and then some eyebrows and some grin lines. Okay, we need a mouth, so if we go there and there, and then join those up for a big smiley mouth. And we need a tongue. We do that and that. And then we will do some big smiley teeth. So if we just go straight down, some nice keyboard teeth. And then join that up. A very scary smile. And then if we do the body, so we need to go out of the eye. If we just join the eyes in the middle there, and then out, around, and down. Same again on the other side, out, around, down. And it needs to flare out both sides. So, like so, and like so. And then we join that up, but don't join the line up, leave a gap for the ball, and then it comes around and up, like so. And then if we do a stripe there, just to show that it's cylindrical. And then we need the bell ball and the hammer. There we have it. And what I must say, very scary bell cartoon. Thanks guys, make sure you check out my other playlists, my other tutorials, and I'll see you soon.